What's going on, everybody? Just a quick look at this thing here. I'm making some gaskets. These are actually exhausts. I'm gonna punch those holes out and put them on the center tubes. Those are the ones that's so far apart from bolt hole to bolt hole, the header usually bends in the middle. But if you double them up, it's good for a while. Alright, catch you later. What's going on, everybody? Fixing to cold start big and worked on its exhaust leak. That's its cold start. It's just about tuned and ready. Got rid of the exhaust leak up here. I still got to weld my pipes up under it. Yeah. And I got rid of it. The header leaks up at the head. And it's twice as loud at the back now, but I still got to weld my cutouts on the top. Sorry about the camera there. Better move this thing. My whole car is jumping around. I'm gonna speed it up. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, see if his cutouts is gonna work with the old lighter. Alright, we got it plugged up in the original lighter. I don't know which one's which. After that. About the finger. Don't take him long, he warms up quick. Are you ready? Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Take care. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that big thumbs up. Hopefully we'll get back into business here. Got some important stuff to take care of with my mom, with my dad passing, but I'll be back soon. Later. What's going on, everybody? About to pull big in. Alright guys, got the old big again. And did a little cold shot of them there. Alright, see you soon. What's going on guys? I don't know if y'all can hear me good enough. But I got a rocker alarm or something hitting this valve cover. Listen. Feel it. Feel it right about here. Something on this cylinder. Number 3 it sounds like. So I'm gonna shut it down and check that out and see what it is. It feels like it's hitting the valve cover. I don't know. Alright. Later. What's going on everybody? I found the problem here. See that jam nut? Jam nut backed off. Got a little too much play. I'm gonna have to reset the lash. And it wasn't the number 3 cylinder, it was the number 7. But it sounded like it was coming from up front. But yep, run him down, make sure it didn't do no damage or nothing. I took the push rod out, it looks good and straight. But yeah. Alright, be back with y'all soon. What's going on guys? Got it back together. Sounds good. It's FedEx driver right there. Man, look at that shine. Looks good. Needs a good buffing. Yeah. Not much. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna go see what's going on with the FedEx.